In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to ensure your humidifier runs efficiently while enhancing indoor air quality. Start by turning off the power to your furnace to ensure safety. Next, remove the humidifier cover to inspect the filter or water panel. Over time, these components can become clogged with mineral deposits, reducing performance. Replace the filter or water panel at least once a year, or more often if you notice buildup. While the cover is off, clean the inside of the humidifier with a soft cloth and a solution of equal parts water and white vinegar. This helps remove any residue and prevents bacteria or mold from growing. Rinse thoroughly to avoid leaving any vinegar behind. Also, check the water inlet valve for clogs or leaks and ensure it's functioning correctly. Next, inspect the drain line. If it's blocked, clear it to ensure water flows freely. You may also want to test the humidistat, which controls the humidity level in your home. Adjust it to around 30 to 50% humidity for optimal comfort. Once everything is cleaned and reassembled, restore the power and run your furnace to check if the humidifier is operating properly. Regular maintenance like this can extend the lifespan of your humidifier and improve its performance, keeping your indoor air comfortable and healthy year-round.